Hey guys, today I'm gonna unbox the latest PTron Spunk wireless waterproof twins, as they're called. Uh, these are the latest in the wireless earphones, ultra compact and IPX5 waterproof, and they call it the world class mobile audio. Okay, so I just received it today. I ordered it from latest one, which sells all the PTron products, and let's see what is there in that. Okay, the explanation was quite interesting, so I ordered one. Okay, and it says that the connectivity is advanced wireless, transmission range is 10 meters, and the frequency range is 2.4 gigahertz, and it says distortion is less than 0.1%. It's got a battery of 40 140 mAh. Okay, and the talk time is up to 4 hours. Standby is about 160 hours. So let's take a look what's in the box. Okay, just gonna open it now. So there it is. That's the box. Looks pretty attractive. Okay, inside the box you have a card which talks about how to repair initial use of headphones, and that's it, basic instructions. And you have a neat looking box, which I suppose is the charging box plus the headphones inside that. Alright, and then what do we have here? Okay, yeah, we have some extra buds inside this packet, and I think these are for holding on to the ears. I guess so. You have the USB charging cable, instructions, and that's it. Okay, so let's dive into this box and see what's in it. It's pretty sleek looking, I would say. Okay, and if the quality is good, then I say that, why do we need to go to any of these Chinese websites to buy, okay, I'm not degrading Alibaba or any of those, but still, when you're getting something locally, why not go for it? Okay, looks wise it's pretty neat. Yeah, sleek. I haven't yet used any of these, it's pretty new, so I don't know how it works. Okay, here it is. So do we have the right and left written on this? No, I don't seem to find any. Okay, but let's figure it out. Okay, so let's try and see if it's got any charge in it already. No, looks like there's no charge, so I've got to charge this, and then I will try and use this, and then I'll come back to you guys with the update on how it is, and whether it's worth the money or not. The box looks pretty sleek, I would say. Alright, so thanks for watching. Okay, I will come back and then you can have the full review of this. Cheers.